VEHO 800, leading the new trend of 3D printing. Unparalleled printing size and precision, giving you endless possibilities. Simple and clear user interface, allowing every user to easily get started. Let's take a look at the VEHO 800 printing process. Starting from the bottom, building up layer by layer, every detail is precise. Efficient and fast printing speed, making your ideas quickly become reality. Look, this is the perfect work brought to you by VEHO 800. Both the appearance and quality have reached professional standards. VEHO 800 is suitable for various scenarios to meet your diverse needs. Take action now and let VEHO 800 become your creative assistant.